following are the steps you need to follow if you are applying for a master's or a PhD program. So the first step is choose the university. So the first thing you need to do is find the relevant university where your choice of course is offered. Second is to find the professor in your field of interest. In order to do this, I will explain you the steps, how you can exactly find the faculty who can help you in your research. Third is to send this faculty or the professor that you have found. After finding faculty who is currently pursuing research on the same research theme as you, and you are interested in their lab and joining their lab and conducting research under them, you need to contact them. You need to probably write an email to them expressing your interest, introducing yourself and expressing your interest to join their lab in the chosen university. After having spoken to them, you will also need to send them a letter of recommendation from your current or your past academic supervisor. You will discuss your preliminary research plans. You will share your research plan with them. And if the professor is okay with it, they will give their consent that they are willing to accept you as a student in their lab. Once you have their consent, it is easy for you to now go and apply to the university just like any other student. You will fill the application form and also check the eligibility criteria, etc., and apply to the university. So this is basically the steps that are involved in applying to a university for master's and a PhD program. Now, I understand it can be challenging to find a faculty who is currently teaching on research theme that you are probably planning to do in your master's. There are 3 ways of finding faculty. So one would be from the faculty list on the university homepage. All universities will have faculty listed on their homepage. You need to go and check their biodata, read about them, and really, read about the research that they are conducting. Second is by visiting homepage of your department. Mostly these faculties are divided on the homepage of the department, and by choosing the department first and then narrowing it down to the particular faculty, that is another way of finding it. Third, in some universities, they have such a mechanism that you can just put the research theme and the faculties will appear. So depending on the university that you are applying to, you will have to really make a search on your own. This is if you know the university. But what if you don't know the university? In that case, there is a website that you can refer to. It is researchmapjp/researchers. So this website is a common repository of faculty profiles from all over Japan, and just by putting the theme of your research, you will be able to narrow down to the faculty who are currently pursuing the subject of your choice. So, the narrower the term that you put in this search, the better it is for you, because accordingly it will throw the results. So I tried putting, let's say, example, if you put environment. So obviously it's a very broad term. So you will get a lot of results. You will again get lost. But if you put environmental science or anything very specific, you will receive results which are more specific to your research theme, and you will be able to contact that professor. So that's all for today's video. I hope this information is helpful to you. In case you have more queries about master's or PhD programs, you can always put them in the comment section. And if you like this video and if you like to receive more such information, please subscribe this channel and like this video. Thanks.